Welcome to AI Million Avatar, where AI meets opportunity. Here, we turn ideas into income and curiosity into skills.
Making money with AI right now is actually way more practical than people think.
If you're ready to grow smarter, faster, and future-proof your life, you're in the right place. Let's begin.
This content is for educational purposes only. We do not guarantee any income or financial results. Earnings depend on individual effort, skill, execution, market conditions, and consistency. Results may vary from person to person. Number 1, AI content creation fastest for beginners. You don't need to be a coder or build the next OpenAI.
You don't need to build an AI model, and you use existing AI tools and sell the output.
We'll focus on realistic, beginner-friendly paths that work in 2026.
Let's start with AI content creation fastest for beginners. Use AI to create content faster than humans. There are few ways to monetize. Pay attention.
3 ways to monetize with AI content. First, YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. AI creates the script, visuals, captions, and voice. You post short videos in niches like motivation, AI facts, or Zodiac content. You earn from platform payouts, affiliate links, and brand deals. Second, Instagram theme pages. Pick one topic. Post the ignorated quotes, images, or short videos daily. Monetize with shoutouts, affiliate products, or your own digital offers. Third, Pinterest traffic pages. Pinterest works like a search engine. AI helps you design viral pins that send traffic to blogs, videos, or links. Traffic earns money for months. Even you. No face, no expensive setup. Just AI, consistency, and smart strategy. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Tools that you can use at TGP generates videos, script strong, hook happen, hashtag intent, ideation, posting angles, helping you create faster and stay consistent. Image AI designs high-quality thumbnails, social media posts, backgrounds, and visuals that grab attention and improve click-through rates. Video AI transforms text and images into engaging shorts and reels with animations, subtitles, music, and pacing optimized for retention. And the income is from ads, affiliate links, brand deals, $500 to $10,000 a month once scaled. And the best niches will be AI facts and tool, motivation, life advice, husband-wife comedy, Zodiac, astrology, and you may already do this. Number 2, AI image design services high demand.
Next one is AI image and design services, which is in high demand. You can sell AI-generated visuals.
Services you can see LOB droll, thumbnails high impact, designs created to grab attention, increase click-through rate and to help videos stand out. In crowded feed, Instagram posts professionally designed images and graphics tailored for engagement, branding, and consistent daily posting. Book covers, visually compelling covers that communicate genre, emotion, and value, helping books attract the right audience. Podcast covers, clean, bold artwork optimized for podcast platforms, making shows instantly recognizable and clickable. Background removal edits, precise cutouts, color correction, retouching, and enhancements for clean, professional-looking images. And you may sell at these places. Wondering where to sell your AI services? Start here. First, 5 create clear service listings and let clients come to you. Good delivery and review Ivor can bring steady work. Second, Upwork. Apply to job posts and pitch directly to clients. That's ideal for higher paying and long-term projects. Third, Instagram DS. Show your work on your profile, then message creators and brands. Personalized, value-based DM often turn into fast clients. Finally, direct outreach. Contact YouTubers, podcasters, and creators directly for a suggestion or sample and build real relationships. Different platform aim goal. Get your skills in front of people who need them. Start simple. Stay consistent. And the pricing that you can expect is $5 to $20 per image, ideal for quick, high-volume design services. $300 to $2,000 per month, realistic income range as a consistent side hustle. Number 3, AI automation for small businesses.
Using AI to helping businesses save time, reduce costs, and operate more efficiently? Let's deep dive.
Set up AI systems for businesses? Let me explain a few examples. AI chatbot for WhatsApp website automatically answers customer questions, shares information, and responds 24/7 without human effort. AI email replies drafts and sends fast, professional responses to common emails, saving time and improving response speed. AI appointment booking handles scheduling, confirmations, and reminders automatically, reducing missed appointments. AI customer support manages FAQ and basic support requests instantly, improving customer experience while lowering support costs. And your clients can be local service-based businesses like gyms, salons, restaurants, and real estate agents that benefit from AI automation to save time, respond faster, and convert more customers. And the pricing you can get up to $300, $1,500 per setup, a one-time payment businesses make to get their AI system set up. Monthly maintenance and small ongoing fees for keeping the AI running smoothly, which creates steady, recurring income for you. Number 4, our YouTube channel
AI creates the scripts, voice, and visuals for you to post videos and earn money.
AI writes script. AI analyzes trends, audience behavior, and proven content structures to create clear, engaging scripts designed to hook viewers, deliver value, and hold attention from start to finish. iVoice. AI transforms each script into a realistic, high-quality voiceover with natural pacing, tone, and clarity, eliminating the need for manual recording or editing. iVisual. AI produces visually compelling graphics and video elements that align with the script, reinforce key points, and keep viewers engaged throughout the content. You upload consistently. You focus on publishing content consistently across platforms, helping algorithms favor your account while building credibility, trust, and long-term audience growth. And niches that work. AI explains simple, breaks down complex AI topics into easy-friendly explanations. Works well because people are curious about AI but want it explained without jargon. What AI can do knows Reoractical AI use cases available today. Performs strongly because it delivers immediate value and highlights tools people can use right now. Future of money jobs. Explores how AI will change careers, income, and the economy. Works because it taps into curiosity, fear, and ambition about the future. Motivational speeches. AI voice stock videos uses powerful scripted voiceovers and cinematic visuals to inspire discipline and success. Works well because motivational content is timeless and highly shareable. AdSense passive income from ads displayed on your content's views grow. AdSense provides a consistent baseline revenue stream. Affiliates. Promote relevant tools or platforms and earn commissions when viewers sign up through your links. This often becomes the highest earning stream once trust is built. Digital products. Sell your own products like guides, templates, or courses. This offers the highest margins and full control over pricing and scalability. $K month is realistic after 6-9 months. With consistent uploads, the right niche, and multiple income streams combined, reaching $10,000 per month is a realistic goal within 6-9 months of execution. Number 5, sell AI prompts, digital products.
Sell ready-made AI prompts, templates, or guides that solve specific problems and scale with little ongoing effort.
ChatGPT prompt pack collections of proven prompts that help users generate better idea content and outputs from ChatGPT with less effort. YouTube script templates. Structured templates designed to create clear, engaging, and high-retention video scripts quickly. Instagram caption pack. Pre-written captions crafted to increase engagement, save time, and maintain consistent posting. Odiac motivation template. Reddit scripts and captions for astrology or motivational content optimized for daily posting and shares. And these are the platform that you may use it. Gomron Easy House platform for selling digital products, handling payments, file delivery, and basic analytics with minimal setup. A high-traffic marketplace that allows digital products to be discovered organically through search, making it easier to reach new buyers. Or our own website. A custom storefront that gives you full control over branding, pricing, customer data, and long-term business growth. Number 6, AI freelancing. No.
Offer AI-powered services like content creation or automation using no-code tools and no technical background required.
Copyright AI helps craft persuasive, conversion-focused copy by improving clarity, structure, and messaging. Scriptwriting. AI assists in creating engaging, well-paced scripts with strong hooks and clear flow. MailWrite AI produces polished emails optimized for readable engagement and response rates. Resume Ready AI enhances resumes with stronger language, better formatting, and keyword optimization for ATS systems. SEO content. AI generates well-structured, keyword-optimized content designed to rank in search results and attract traffic. Charge human prices. Work at AI. Deliver quality work faster using AI, letting you earn more in less time without lowering your rates. Number 7. AI Agency Model Advance, High Income.
Build and scale an agency that delivers AI-powered services for businesses, allowing you to charge more and generate high income.
We grow your Instagram using AI. We use AI-driven content optimization and consistency to increase reach, engagement, and follower growth. We make daily shorts for your brand. We create and publish short-form videos every day to keep your brand visible, consistent, and growing. We automate customer support. We use AI to handle customer questions instantly, reducing response time and support workload. You can charge up to $3,000 to $10,000 per client on every month.
Beginner roadmap for first month. Pick one niche. Learn 2-3 AI tools. Post daily content.
And for the second month offer services, build portfolio first $500 to $1,000. And for the third to sixth month, systemize with AI scale content or clients $3,000 to $10,000 month possible. Now you know how can use AI to earn money with faceless content and simple online services.
If you want practical AI tips, real strategies, and step-by-step ideas, subscribe to the channel and stay ahead of the future.